Grace and peace, family. How's everybody? This is normal Kizadek, the man who appears to disappear. I'm here to just speak about something that the Lord has been bringing into my attention. It's been 2 years now, having this as a prayer point. Bits and pieces have actually materialized. So this is pertaining our current former president, President Jacob Zuma, the leader of the MK. As I was taken into the spirit, and this is a continuous prophecy. I think I've shared it on another platform a year back. I'm seeing opposition, but now this is not just opposition. This is like Western powers, serious powers, opposition, opposing him, opposing him. But in the process of that, I'm hearing the Lord saying He is redeeming and restoring him, because I'm seeing attempts to his life, and I'm seeing people around him being paid to destabilize the flow and the vision, same as the movement of the political party. Listen and understand, Jacob Zuma is like Joseph in the Bible. He's chosen, and as a chosen somebody, the opposition to his calling is greater. So there are people currently who are plotting his demise, they are plotting his death, and they want to make it seem as natural as possible. But because God has been protecting him by grace, he's covered. So I want us to pray for the life of Jacob Zuma. I want us to pray for the life of Jacob Zuma. We'll talk about the political party outside this one, but this is to him. I want us to, I'm seeing four arrows pointing at his direction, and I'm seeing one internal. This is within his circle, and I'm seeing 4 funding. I'm just seeing 4 arrows pointing at his direction, and the assignment is 1: move him out of the way permanently. So I want us to pray, because God has entrusted him with certain things that the country need. So when you pray in your prayer as an intercessor, pray for President Jacob Zuma, and pray that the grace of God upon his life becomes stronger, and any spiritual attack that is assigned upon his life, may that fall and crumble. Shalom. I love you one by one. Don't forget, pray for President Jacob Zuma. We'll talk about the political party. For now is, may God preserve his life. I'm seeing the attempts. I'm seeing failure in the attempts. They keep on failing. But there's this one strong attack that is going to hit, and it's going to destabilize. Even the media will be talking about it. I'm seeing it on the news. People will be shouting about it. Oh, President Jacob Zuma, President Jacob Zuma. I'm seeing a mini, not civil war, a mini unrest trying to brew up, coming up. And as that unrest comes, it's just when that happens, and if God permits it, it's going to cause instability within the country. So I pray that it does not go there. May God preserve his life until the vision upon his life materializes. Let us pray. President Zuma, pray for that name. Pray for that name as you pray. But I believe that God is a God who honors his word, and may protection be upon the president. Shalom, shalom. The ex-president. Shalom, shalom.